Hey, so I'm outside gardening today and I've already put my lighter fluid in my coffee. So I ain't got time for mosquitoes, and I also bought this so that I can work in my garden good without them boys. So I'm raking and shoveling all of these rocks to somewhere to get more land for me to plant and garden. And I had my kids out here with me yesterday because I'm trying to instill in them how serious this farm life is, and like where the generational trauma made us turn away from it. How we always do everything first, obviously, anyway, but like we were made to do it and it caused trauma. And so from generation to generation, we got away from it. And then, sometimes they would steal our land so we couldn't farm. And we ended up in mills and going to college. Not that college is bad, because you can learn even more about agriculture. But yeah, I just wanted them to understand that this self-sufficient lifestyle is goals. If you want to start your gardening with the cheap Amazon greenhouse, it detaches, it moves, it's super light. It was like $49 or maybe less than that. And I had it right here. I'm going to put it back right here, but I'm waiting for the Amazon people to bring me a tarp, because I want to put tarp down. And it's going to prevent weeds from growing up through here. And then put it back over here. Hopefully the sun will start like coming this way. I plan to actually cut down trees myself with the thingy that I bought from Amazon that's coming today too. I really hope that goes well, because I really feel like it's messing with my sunlight. So these 5 grow bags were only like $13 on Amazon. So these came from the farmer's market. One is turmeric and one is sunflower, and I don't know which is which because they didn't have no labels on them. This is that super dead looking collard greens or whatever, some cactuses, and that is garlic. My labels are coming from Amazon today too, and so that's gonna help. All of that's ginger with no label. This is kale with no label, and then that's the lettuce blend. Watermelon, for some weird reason, I know it's not the season. Asparagus, and you know what? To know the season, you can obviously print it off online, but I found this at the little garden spot that I went to today. And then broccoli, my little broccoli wants to come up. Look at her. She just got planted on August the 29th. And I didn't know that when it starts to grow, whatever this is, the plant will eat off of it, and you can like put it in the ground with this, and it's like gonna be like a fertilizer in its own little way. So, but I don't like them. Honestly, I am gonna put it in something else. I don't like it because right now nothing's going in the ground because I don't really have space for it to go in the ground. Oh yeah, I got this today from somewhere too. Don't know where.